Do you know how to connect iPhone to PC successfully? This video offers you a full guide on how to link iPhone to PC in 6 different ways. You can select any way as per your choice. Way 1. How to connect iPhone to Windows PC with USB cable. Disconnect USB cable. Plug large end into PC, small end into iPhone. Unlock iPhone. Tap Allow for access. Open this PC on PC. Find iPhone under Devices. Double-click to access. Copy photos or videos. Way 2. How to connect iPhone to PC with iTunes. Connect iPhone using original USB cable. Ensure iTunes is up to date. Open iTunes. Click iPhone icon. Manage iPhone via iTunes. Select Backup Now for local backup. Choose Sync Contents, then click Apply and Sync. Way 3. How to link iPhone to PC over Wi-Fi. Connect your iPhone to a computer with an original USB cable. Run iTunes on your computer. Click the iPhone icon, then scroll to the Options button and check Sync with this iPhone over Wi-Fi in the right panel. Then, click the Apply option to start. Wait for sync to finish, then disconnect. Ensure iPhone, computer on same Wi-Fi. On iPhone, Settings, General, Wi-Fi Sync. Tap Sync Now for wireless sync. Way 4. How to connect iPhone to computer with Bluetooth. Step 1. Turn on Bluetooth on Windows PC. Step 2. Turn on Bluetooth on iPhone. Step 3. Connect iPhone to PC via Bluetooth. Way 5. How to connect iPhone to PC via iCloud Drive. First of all, you need to enable iCloud Drive on your iPhone by navigating to Settings, iCloud Drive, and tap on the on or off button to turn it on. On your Windows PC, download and install iCloud from Apple official site. Run it add log into your iCloud account. Go to iCloud Drive, and here, you can view and copy files to your PC. Way 6. How to connect iPhone to PC and transfer files selectively. In addition to the 5 methods described above, we can also use third-party software to connect iPhone to PC. Here, we strongly recommend Mobikin Assistant for iOS because it is simple but powerful software. How to connect iPhone to PC and transfer files with Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Connect iPhone to Windows PC. Step 2. Transfer files from iPhone to PC.